Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. In tutorial 3, 6 problems I completed. I want to come to the 7th. Just I am skipping 7th. I will tell you. After completing 8th, I will go for the 7th. In 1 minute, I will get the answer. Now I will do the first, I will do the 8th problem. Once if we completed 8th, then we can discuss also the 7th. Now 8, what is the volume of a tetrahedron x by a plus y by b plus z by s equal to 1? This is nothing but the plane in 3 dimension and coordinate planes. Tetrahedron means what you people already know in physics experiment in school level. You have done in physics experiment using prism, all sides triangle. You are familiar about that. So what you will get? These intercepts are what? X intercept A0, 0, Y intercept 0, B0, Z intercept 0, 0, C. So all is positive coordinate, no doubt. So it lies in first attempt. X, Y, Z, A0, 0, 0, B0, 0, 0, C. This obviously you know, so X is running from 0 to something, Y also running from 0 to something, Z is what 0 to something. Now we can fix the Z limit. Not only Z limits, you can fix X is equal to something, you can let X is equal to 1 minus half Y minus B minus Z minus C, or Y is equal to 1 minus X by A minus Z minus C. You can let nothing will happen. Any one thing you can fix, you can first. 3 limits I want to get, first one limit you can fix. Now actually I am fixing Z. Z is running from where to where? Z is equal to 0 to Z is equal to C into 1 minus X by A. Once if I complete the Z limits, I want to do the another 2 limits. Another 2 limits I will do in 2 dimension. Once if I fix the Z limit means what? Don't take actually Z again, so you can take xy plane alone, so there is no chance. You can choose xy plane. On xy plane you can draw again. What I will get? Correct or not? Now my limits is what? A0, 0, B. Now either you can draw x constant or y constant. I am choosing the x constant. My x is traveling from where to where? 0 to a. Y is traveling from where to where? Y is equal to 0 to touching line, touching line, touching line. So here y is what? Y by b is equal to 1 minus x by a. Y is equal to b into 1 minus x by a. So my limit is going what? X is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Then y is what? 0 to y is equal to b into 1 minus x by a. We know volume integral is what? Triple integral over dx dy dz. When you write the formula as well, you can write, nothing will happen. Once if you know the fix the limits, then carefully you can write. Now my innermost limit is what? 0 Z limit, C into 1 minus x by a, 1 minus y by b. Then this fellow is what? Y limit. This is what? X limit. Now first what I want to do? dz, then dy, then dx. So don't confuse. Now with respect to z, if you integrated, what you will get? Zero to a, 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. I will get z. My z is limit is what? 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Balance is what? dy dx. Now apply the limit. Lower limit vanish, only upper limit stands. So 0 to a, 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. If I apply this what? C into this fellow will come. C I am taking outside. So balance term is what? 1 minus x by a, so y by b, d by dx. Any problem? Yes. 0 to a, 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, dy dx. We are writing so many times. Okay. Now I see, with respect to y, if you want to d means what? This is a linear expression in y. This is what? A minus bx. A minus bx means what? Suppose if it is filled bx means what? A minus bx whole square by 2 divided by coefficient. Here y coefficient is what? Minus 1 by b whole divided by minus 1 by. Job is what? So see, 0 to a, 0 to b into 1. Sorry, I am doing this. You no need to write. 1 minus x by a minus y by b whole square by 2 into minus 1 by b. Limits are what? 0, b into dx. Any dot? So this b will come up. So this you can take this side, means it will become minus bc by 2, 0 to what you will get? E 1 minus x by a minus y by b whole square. Limit is what? 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Now we see minus bc by 2, 0 to a. If you apply the upper limit in terms of y, this is what? 1 minus x by a minus of bb will cancel 1 minus x by a. So 0 minus lower limit if you apply means what will get? This 0 by anything will be 0. So balance is what? 1 minus x by a whole square dx. Again same story. Lower limit 1 minus will be there. We forgotten actually. Upper limit 0 minus lower limit here. Okay. Then what you will get? Again if you integrate means what will get? 1 minus x by a, lower limits 1 minus become plus. Then this is what? 1 minus x by a whole cube by 3 minus 1 by a. Integrated, sorry. So this is what? 0 to a. This also a can bring this side. Now what I will get? Minus abc by 6. Correct or not? Then limit is what? 1 minus x by a whole cube. This is 0 to a. Upper limit waste 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Lower limit if you have means 1 cube. Then minus will minus abc by 6 minus 1. So abc by 6. Now if you see similarly, sixth question is what? X plus y plus z is equal to 5. You can substitute a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 5. What you will get? Answer is what? 125 by 6. Enough. Same story. You don't get a, b, c there. Simply you will get 1 minus x, 1 minus x minus y. Like this you will get. There is no big typical. So 1 by 125 by 6 you will get. Any problem? 5 minus half you will get. 5 cube you will get. Balance last time you will get 5 cube. So 6 times skipping. Try yourself. If you don't get, just contact me at any time. Just WhatsApp in my number. I will help you. Any problem? So this is the way of doing. Thank you for watching our channel. Be part of our service. Kindly subscribe and inform to all your first year students. Bye. Once again, thanks.